Have you guys ridden one of these motorcycles, the Jawa or the Yezdi? If yes, comment below and I'll tell you why I'm asking you this. Now let's attack the track. So that's where you need to tune yourself and not the motorcycle, is the braking bit. You need to the kicker and the gear lever is the same. Now heading towards Puttur, and this road is going to be a lot of fun. Normally when I ride the 4-stroke bike, the way I ride in these roads are different. Let's see how I'm going to ride the Yezdi Roadking. Am I going to be the same character, or I have to change myself a little bit? Let's wait and see, because it's going to be a nice twisty windy road, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I mean, at least I want to have fun. Let's see how this motorcycle is going to behave. Not much that I've done on these. Last I remember I'd gone to Bajagoli on these. I'd done a ride there. So after that, this is the second time I'm taking one of this to a longer distance, and especially through this twisty and windy roads as well. I need to get quite a hang of this. I'm just still trying to get a hang of it. Want to take some aggressive corners and want to get in fast lane. So now let's attack the track. Let's see how much fun it's going to be riding this on such kind of road, especially when you have nice twisty and windy road. I mean, no doubt, the handling of this motorcycle is absolutely fantastic. It's crazy handling, and you are basically on the top of the motorcycle, so you get a complete control of what you're doing. So no matter what, whenever I come to Puttur, I have to meet my buddies, Chalon rider from south, and Shadai Mums, very famously known as Shadai Mums. So they've come on their RXs and FZs. So thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Bye. Happy journey.
Done. See you, madam. Bye bye. Now let's attack the track. Let's see how this motorcycle is going to take me on such roads. Always I come on 4 strokes here, and I have a ball of a time. I mean, no denial. I normally have a ball of a time. So now let's see how this 2-stroke is going to give me the similar kind of adrenaline rush that I normally wish to have, and even the superior kind of handling. Does this provide that? While no doubt the handling is definitely good, very good. Easily you can maneuver around these corners, and easily you can get onto the corner and exit the corner without any problem. And the vehicle is super nimble. It's just swivels however you want. There's no much stress, and it's lightweight too, so you don't really have to make the effort to lean it or get it back or whatever. So it feels super light that way as well, and super nimble. I mean, I've told you in the very beginning of the video itself that the bike is super nimble, and the riding position is absolutely fantastic. I mean, you literally feel you're sitting on a top of a chair. So that way, no complaints. The only thing ever, if you want to complain, would be probably the braking. But then in this case, you normally use the engine braking for most of your braking requirements, and not the brakes that are given on the motorcycle. In terms of, when I say brakes, the brake levers. So normally handle these motorcycles at the engine power just by gear down or gear up. So upshift and downshift, that's how you kind of handle and ride these motorcycles. So getting onto any of these curves, you get full confidence. There's no lack of confidence at all. You can aggressively get into any corner without any problem. Only thing is you'll have to understand the braking bit. Once you understand the braking, getting onto this is joy. I mean, it's as fun as riding any other motorcycle. So it's good fun. I mean, I'm impressed. I'm super impressed the way this motorcycle is getting onto the corners. You know, the way it's handling is superior. Like I mentioned, the only part where I miss, so that's where you need to tune yourself and not the motorcycle, is the braking bit. You need to understand the amount of speed that you need to get into, or the amount of brake and engine braking that you need to put together. Let's get a little ahead. And the motorcycle is doing decent top speed. So I've been managed to get up till 90 kilometers per hour. I haven't pushed it beyond that as of now. I haven't got the stretch either. But then as far as I've tried, it's been good. Our breakfast joint is going to be Santripti. In I think about a couple of weeks back, when I taken Honda people for a breakfast ride, I had taken them there, so we're going there itself. It's a good joint, it's a good place, good food as well. So going there itself. So that's in Sulya, in fact. So yeah, finally I got some buddies of ours. So I have my brother right in front of me, who's riding the silver color CL250 if I'm not wrong. Have you guys ridden one of these motorcycles, the Jawa or the Yezdi? If yes, comment below and I'll tell you why I'm asking you this. Have you noticed how do you change the gear in these kind of motorcycle? So any normal motorcycle, you will put your foot under the lever, you will lift it up or downshift, and that's how you change the gear. But in this case, so you see my leg here, so if I have to upshift, I have to take my leg here and then use this way to upshift, and then the downshift happens naturally like this. So yes, here I press this and it's downshift, but then if I have to do upshift, I will have to kind of use my back of my leg to upshift. I mean, that's different. I took a little while to get used to it. Have you ever ridden was it easy for you to do that, or even now when you ride, do you find it easy, whatever? So just comment below and tell me. I just wanted to tell, I found this interesting. People who haven't ridden this kind of motorcycle, just telling how do you shift the gear on this kind of motorcycle. So now I have to upshift. I use the back of my leg, pull it up, and then my upshift happens. Normally you just put your leg between the pegs and then turn it up and down, but here that's how you do. And downshift, you just normally pat on the lever. And another thing is, if you have noticed, the kicker and the gear lever is the same for these motorcycles, both for HDs and Java. That was the common thing. Both the kicker and the gear lever were the same. So check this out. Check these motorcycles. Nice. so much of joy, so much of joy riding this motorcycle. I am glad I joined this ride. So today was another ride as well with TVS. So it was their AOG ride. In fact, I was supposed to join that, but then the invite came too late, due to which I could not join the TVS AOG ride. But then I'd already confirmed this ride. So yes, I'm glad I came here, and it's just a wonderful day. It's just beautiful day to ride as well. Just around the corner is our breakfast joint, which is Santrapti. So here we are, all the riders have just reached there. Let's go have breakfast now. All of them have reached. Breakfast time. Idli vada sambar dip. It's a beautiful road start here. So here till Madikeri it's gonna be full of